Hello and welcome. This is Mr. Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about press pull command and Helix as well. So let's get started. First we will just use this press pull here. Okay, this is the command for press pull. I will just go here and first I will just draw any geometry here. For example, I want to just draw this rectangle here. Okay, so I will just activate this from here and I will draw it here. Okay, this rectangle. Now we will use press pull here. It is same like as extrude command. I will just click here to activate this one, and it is asking about select a object or a bounded area. So I will select this one, and you can see it is going to pull upward. Okay, this is going to be solid shape. You can pull either downward or upward. Okay, so this is all about pull. Now we will see press option here. I will just click here to next point. Okay, and I will escape this one. Again, what I will do, I will just take here a circle command. So what I will do, I will just press shift key and I will just right click here, and from here I will select mid between 2 points. I will click here and then I will give first point, okay, as this point and second point as this point. Now I will draw a circle here. Now we will see press option here. Okay, I will click here to place it. Now I will just activate this one again. Okay, I will click here and then I will just select this one. Okay, this circle, and I will just use press option. Okay, so I will give this point as a second point. Now you can see a hole in between this shape. Now I will just move this one, okay, or I will just rotate this one. Now you can see clearly a hole in between this shape. So this was press pull option here. Okay, this is how we can use press pull. Now the next thing here is Helix, and we will just convert Helix in Spring as well. So let's see how to do that one. I will just go here in draw panel, and here you can see one of the option, that is Helix. Okay, so I will click here to activate this one, and now it is asking about center point, specify center point of base. So I will just specify this point as a center point. Now it is asking about base radius, so I will give base radius as 100 unit. Okay, I will hit enter. Now it will ask about the top radius as well, so I will just give 100 again for top as well. And now it is asking about what will be the turns. Okay, number of turns, you can just give number of turns as well. I will right click here. Now you can see here one of the option turns. I will click here and now I will just give number of turns as 6 turns. Okay, I will click. Okay, now you can see this is a helix and number of turns are 6. Okay, now I will just give height as well here, or I will click here to specify this point. Okay, so I will click here. Now let's convert this helix into spring. So for that I will just activate this circle command here. Okay, I will click here and I will place circle here. For example, I want to place it here. Now I will use sweep command here. Okay, so I will go here, I will activate sweep command from here, and I will just select the object to sweep. So I will select this, I want to sweep this around. Okay, this is the path, so I will click here. Now I will hit enter. Now it is asking about the path, so I will give this path. Okay, and you can see it is going to convert into spring. Now let's see more option in Helix. So I will go here in draw, and from here I will activate this one, and I will just give base radius as a 100 unit, then top radius as a 50 unit. For example, I will hit enter and right click, I will go into the turns, and number of turns, for example 3, I will hit enter. Now this is the helix. Okay, now again I will right click, and here you can see one of the option, that is twist option. Okay, so let's see what is this. I will click here and now you can see there are 2 options, that is CW mean clockwise, and again there is one more, that is CCW, that is counterclockwise. So if you want to just draw a helix in clockwise, you can just click this one. Now it will be in clockwise direction. Okay, you can see this is in clockwise direction. I will right click, I will go again in twist option, and I will select counterclockwise. Okay, I will click here. Now you can see this is in counterclockwise direction. So this was the twist method. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you.